new Nest and Ecobee smart thermostats have these room temp sensors that you can put around in different rooms in your house to measure the temperature and control them that way. But why? Let's make smart home tech simple to enjoy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell next to it so you don't miss that next video. Hey you wonderful people, my name is Josh and this is the Gross Tech Show. But today we've got to talk about how some smart home tech companies and tech are dumb. Or maybe more so that the tech companies just want to steal and take your money. So Nest and Ecobee smart thermostats are great and they work amazingly, but they both came out with these little sensors that you put around your house in different rooms that measure and monitor the temperatures, motion from each one of those rooms. So see, these companies are saying that with this information, they can monitor and be able to change the levels. Let me read this for you because I don't want to mess up the quote from Ecobee themselves. This is what they say about their room temp sensor. Ecobee says, savings where it counts, room sensors. Know when somebody is home, which rooms are occupied, and the more sensors you have in your home, the smarter your Ecobee 3 becomes, saving you more money and energy. Well, that sounds great and all, but we've got an issue with that. So my son's room, we'll say it's summer right now. It's hotter than any other room. And I set in the Ecobee or Nest app and say, I want my son's room to be, I don't know, 78. It's 80. Let's just say it's always 80. When the rest of the room is set at 78, it's always 80. So I'm going to say this room for this temp sensor should be 78 and make sure it is always 78. Well, Ecobee and Nest both say that, okay, that is great because what we're going to do is monitor, okay, you guys are in this room, so we're going to cool down this room. So that way, none of the other rooms will get cooled down, but this room, it saves you money because we're heating or cooling your separate rooms based on where you're at or based on what you want them to be set at. And while that sounds great, the fact that you put a little sensor in there is not going to change that. So what's going to happen is I'm going to say, I want this room to be 78. Obviously, it's saying 80. It's going to pump the AC up more and freeze all the other rooms. Now the other rooms are 2 degrees colder, and now that room is 78. But now the other rooms are 76. Wait a minute. I thought we were trying to even this out. No. Without the introduction of smart vents or smart flaps to be able to control where and how much air is going into each room, this is useless. Yes, is it nice to say, yes, this will save you money, but it will not save you money. It is just a ploy from these companies to be able to say, hey, here's a 50, I don't even know how much they are, an expensive piece of little sensor that you can put in the room and it'll save you money. Wrong. It's going to cost you more money because it's going to push up the air or push up the heat going into all the other rooms. Because you don't have smart ventilation that is going to, okay, you want to be in room A and not room B, and we need to cool down room A. We need to close off or lessen the air going into room B. This does not solve that. This just pumps more air or more heat into the entire house. That's going to cost more. But if you do want to have this kind of system in your house, it is possible. You can get the temp sensors and have the smart thermostat, but you also need to add the smart vents or the smart flaps for your airflow system. I know of 3 good companies that make smart vents. Ecovent, Flair, and Keen are 3 really good smart vents companies that are able to control the amount of airflow into that room. And with that, plus the room sensors, plus your smart thermostat, Ta-da! Now you actually have something that will save you money. Hey, so I hope you learned something from this video. Honestly, really, every smart home tech company is not always there to help you. You're not dumb. Don't buy the dumb things that are smart that these tech companies are just pumping out just to get your money. You're smarter than that, and hey, I'm here to help you learn and help you through that. Hey, so make sure if you like the video to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel as well as share it with everybody you know. Because we need to make sure people know, hey, everything these tech companies are making for the smart home tech isn't useful. It's not always better just to have the smart home thing. Sometimes the dumb thing's better. If it takes longer to find your app and turn it on that way than to flick a light switch, what's the point of the smart app and the smart thing if the dumb thing is easier? That's what we want to do. That's what we want to educate you and be able to help you guys find the right things to get and the things to kind of say no to. Make yourself smarter about smart home tech. That's the point of our channel. My name is Josh Gross, and this has been the Gross Tech Show. God bless you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.